Hi friends, this is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we are going to make another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to make a potato cheese dip. Okay, so let's take a look at our ingredients. We're going to start with some vegetables. We have some carrots, some potatoes, and onion. Then we have lemon juice, nutritional yeast, some olive oil, water, and our seasonings: Himalayan pink salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and chicken-style seasoning. Okay, so how we get started here is we're just going to add our vegetables, the potatoes, the carrots, and the onions, to a pot. And I'm just going to cover them with a bit of water, and we're going to boil them until they get nice and soft. Okay, so now that we've boiled and really softened our veggies, we're just going to add everything to the blender. When I say simple, nutritious, and delicious, I mean simple. All right, so those are our veggies. Then I'm going to add our seasonings. Again, I'm using Himalayan pink salt, some garlic powder and onion powder, a touch of chicken-style seasoning. Now this is just going to give us a little extra flavor. Lemon juice. You know, when we melt cheese in cheese sauce, we sometimes have that sharpness of a cheese. So the lemon juice is just going to give us that sharpness. Nutritional yeast flakes. Now this is going to give us our cheesy flavor. Some olive oil, and then lastly I'm just going to add about a half a cup of water just to give this a good consistency. And then just blend until it's nice and creamy. All right, and now you see, we've got a wonderful cheese sauce that I use for a dip, but you can also use this for any time that you would use a melted cheese. I like this not only because it's really economical, but also because for people that can't eat nuts, a lot of times plant-based cheeses have nuts in them. But here we're just using some vegetables. So we have a beautiful plant-based cheese. All right, now the best part of the day. Let's give it a try. I love this cheese. It is so creamy, it's got that cheesy flavor, and the best thing about it is there's no cheese in it. Well, friends, our time is up here in the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to watch us on Facebook as well as go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health.